You know what's crazy? Every new developer today starts with Python or JavaScript, and the first time they see a semicolon, oh, the panic. Meanwhile, C developers are out here, calm, quiet, battle scared, like war veterans who built the entire digital world with their bare hands. Let's talk about C, the language that started it all. The one everyone calls too old, but somehow every operating system, every database, every compiler still bows down to it. If you have ever written code in C, you already know that's not programming, that's survival training. You don't have a garbage collector, you are the garbage collector. You don't run code, you pray it doesn't segfault. When you forget to free memory, it doesn't just crash your app, it crashes your will to live. When you finally fix the bug, you have no idea how it just stopped breaking. That's C magic. You don't question it, you just move on. Every computer science graduate who started with C deserves a lifetime achievement award. Because we didn't have fancy frameworks or autocomplete. We have printf and paint. We didn't Google how to reverse a string. We wrote the loop ourselves twice. And people still ask why to learn C in 2025. Because my friend, everything runs on it. C built Unix, Linux, Windows kernels, databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL. Even Python's interpreter is written in C. Your browser, your operating system, your embedded device, that smartwatch on your wrist, all powered by some poor C developer's code from 20 years ago, and that still hasn't crashed it. And the funny part? C developers don't brag. They are not on X posting just shipped to production. They are in some corner quietly maintaining 40-year-old code that your entire company depends on. And nobody even knows their name. You ever meet a C developer in person? They don't talk much. They've seen too much. They've stayed at pointers long enough to see the matrix. They've debugged segmentation faults that could make a grown engineer cry. And companies? Oh, they still want them. NASA, Microsoft, IBM, Intel, Qualcomm, they all run core systems in C. Because when you're launching rockets or running microcontrollers, you can't afford a memory leak from some lazy script. You need precision, you need control, you need C. Meanwhile, the rest of us are arguing about which front-end framework loads 0.2 seconds faster while their code literally runs airplanes. So yeah, C might look ancient, it might feel brutal, but it built the internet, the machines, and half of the modern computing. If you can survive C, every other language feels like a spa day. You move to Python and suddenly think, wait, it handles memory for me, for free. That's C trauma talking. So respect the C devs. They walked so the rest of us could run npm install.